Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, sesiphendukile futhi njalo, and as you know, Enkundleni Exclusive is brought to you by Dep3 Events and proudly supported by Okuhle Designs and Skaftin Chicken. Sesibuyile futhi njalo. Right, so ngakade ungakwazi sengikutshela, if ngakade ukwazi ngiyakukhumbuza. Dep3 Events is the biggest media company in town. We have a stage for hire, we have lighting for hire, we have PA system for hire, videography, photography, in studio, out of studio, and then izinto zonke lezi we do them to your satisfaction. So just contact Dep3 namhlanje. Ama contact details uyawathola uzabona lokho edlala khona la. And then just get yourself a very nice event or a very nice photo shoot videography ozayisebenzisa la utshengise izizulwana zakho. And then as you know, enkundleni hlezi siphethe esichisayo. Namhlanje siphethe inye futhi echisayo. uBhila.
Mawusithi ngiyashisa nje.
Siphethe inye futhi echisayo. Awufatu.
Hawu ngathi ngiyashisa.
Uyala uBhila ukuthi uyashisa.
I'm negative.
Uyala sis. Yala ukuthi wena nguwe owenza ishow eyahlanganisa amaqaqa yafaka ama maniacs ithwani ibizo la nqali phelele imathojeni lawe ukhona ngikambela fundi ufuna ukuthi
Vuyo Brown Thaliso the Poet iHawule Sizwe
iphikisa ke ukuthi uyachisa
ngiyashisa be ayikhona ukushisa lokho
otherwise
mina ngishabanga hey siyazama ukukhala kusiza ukukhala kusiza
wona uthi ukukhala kusiza
ukukhala kusiza
phela abanye bethu bakhala phandle special abanye bethu
uyakhalela ubani
hazi ukuthi ukukhalelwa bani
yakhalwa
phandle
ukukhala kusiza ngaqala ngikhala ngabona ukuthi akusanceda ukukhala kumele ufike at a time yokuthi no relax, understand, what's the way forward, understand, because you can't cry forever. You need to come up with a solution. Better ukhale maybe uphethe umkhonto. I've got a song engazange ayirelease ukuthi indoda ikhali iphethe umkhonto, you understand, so kumele ukhale la uhlaba uzama ukudinga, understand, indlela zokuthi
ingoma yakho le ikhanya ichaza why wena
I know there will be a time for it to release.
It's coming.
So I don't know. Ukuthi izabuya or ayisoke ibuya, understand. It's one of those songs, understand. But maybe izabuya njengoba usithi mnandi ungakayisho. But it's a beautiful song with a powerful story because I'm all about storytelling, understand. Because I believe ukuthi like umculo nje kumele ujule, understand, impact abantu for umculo ukuthi ube longevity ukuthi uphathe message, understand. If there is no message it won't last, understand. Belief yami le
understand. Passionate in music.
I'm very very passionate. Umculo is number 1. Number 2,
like, where is this thing coming from? uBhila, what's the name of uBhila? Because I'm sure uBhila is a stage name.
uBhila is stage name, but uBhila also is my identity because ukhulu wami like ukhokho wami kwakuthiwa nguBhila. Angithi understand ukuthi izitemo zivelela emabizweni abokhulu or izenzakalayo back in the days, understand. So mina ukhokho wami kwakuthiwa nguBhila, so isitemo sami ngesakoBhila, understand. So I just took that demo ngasenza kwaba i-stage name yami, understand, because it's who I am, nginguBhila, understand.
It's not ukuthi wawungubrilliant then amachita akho
cha uBhila isitemo sami, so ngathatha isitemo sami okulibizo likakhokho ngakwenza kwaba i-stage name yami, understand.
And can you clear futhi and then is the culture civil
i-culture ngixilile i-culture amasiko akithi, like I believe that African culture is super cool. Ukuthi if singazange sathatheka ngento eziningi zomhlaba, I think ngabe sisendleleni esharp because amasiko ethu asifundisa into ezibhaya eziningi kakhulu esizishodayo these days from inhlonipho, you understand. Everything starts from inhlonipho. Amasiko akufundisa ukulalela. There is power in listening. These days asikwazi ukulalela, you understand. That's why ubona sihlanya, so because asilaleli we think ukuthi thina siclever ukudlula abadala, understand. Because umdala yakutshela no thina sasenza kanje uthi hayi ahrutman lamanga kade sisesiphila isimanje, understand. That's why abantu benjani be all over abantu abacontroleki like bahlanya
Well.
You understand? Especially ama-2K. Labangasoma 2K. Lathi siyahlanya. You understand? It's because alahla i-culture, understand? Yokuhlonipha. Sisela ukuhlonipha. Because I always ask myself, lami ngisendaweni zokuzikholisisa ntambama. Ngifica umuntu ole 18 years, 19 years. Uyinkazana for that matter. Uyagida ebhawa. And I'm like, all right. So umuntu lo uzasuka ngo-1 ebusuku. Ulala endlini kabani? Nxa ifike eqoqoda uvulelwa mbani umnyango? You understand? Right, abazali bakhe bona bathunga. You understand? So it goes to show ukuthi i-culture lana ayisekho. Because thina back in the days sikhula wawukwazi ukuthi ungabona even though singakhulelanga ekhaya but ikhona i-culture esasilayo yabona ukuthi ungabona i-toilet lilayitha ama-light lawana ka-city council ama-toilet those big ones ungabona lilayitha ngo-5 kumele ubususe endlini. Ungazithola ungekho endlini sule problem enkulu. It's part of ukuhlonipha, you understand? And into leyana yokuguide ukuthi like uvikeleke because there is a lot of things that happen ebusuku. That's why abantu bethanda into zebusuku because there is a lot of evil things ezenzakala ebusuku. So it scares me nxa ngibona abantwana abancane like begida ebusuku besenza all those funny things ukuthi isibindi basithatha ngapi and abazali bangaphi. You understand? It shows ukuthi asisayesabi, asisela ukwesaba. Because awungeke untshela ukuthi a 19-year-old girl afika aqoqode sibili ngo-12 ubaba olendevu sibili afika mvulele angene alale hayibo njani hayi no yeah serious avuke sibili la kavuka athi sesiyamvulela umnyango because maybe abahlali labazali or abasahlala ezindlini I don't know ukuthi uhamba njani. So it shows you ukuthi kwakhona i-culture sesayilahle, understand? Asisalaleli, asisahloniphi, asisayesabi. You understand? Do you remember kudala kwakuthiwa kwakhona yebo ungayenza lokhu kuyazila, ungayenza lokhu kuyazila. It's a lie, but kwakuyindlela yokugoqa ukuthi ube lokwesaba, you understand? Ube lokuhlonipha. But thina asisela hayi vele yeah thina sesizithi sesiclever, you understand? So that's why i-culture ngiyithanda kakhulu because I believe ukuthi i-culture isifake endaweni esharp kakhulu, isifake endaweni esharp kakhulu.
So as into emfuyenza mfuna ungena ukubhila yena ubhila njengomuntu and fuqasela
uzaniloyisa ngabantu ngangena
but
abahamba sebenilandela lapha bathi hoyi chomi leyo
bona nje njalo. So ubhila uzalwa ngapi lapha nanzila ukuthiwa ngekhaya uzalwa ngapi and then ngicela sibuyele emuva combine just before uqalise.
Okay, so kahle mina ngiyi-first born, you understand? So angithi yazi ukuthi uma uyi-first born umama uloko kuzalela ngiwo. So umama muvele eGwanda. Mina ngazalelwe eGwanda ekhaya not esibhedlela futhi like those heart one izindlu zemakhaya zane zotshani yikho lapho engazalelwa khona endaweni okuthiwa kusemanama yikho kukomasalo komalume. Then mina ke ngidabuka enkayi komnyambambile emaguswini ezinyangeni induna yakithi unduna unkalakatha. You understand? Yikho lapha engidabuka khona yikho ekhaya kababa. You understand? eGwanda lapho engazalelwa khona kukomama ngokukhula ngakhulela eNtumbane then sashifta ekukhuleni saya ngokukhula saya eCountry Park yikho lapho engikhona lami sazama ukuhustla ukuthi ngishifte ngiye Hillside. You understand? Hayi diniwe ngomsindo. You understand lapho engihlala khona? No, yazi lapho engihlala khona ukuhlaleki. Mina ngihlala hayi vari hayi impilo elokushini hayi impilo elokushini diniwe yazi akulaleki bra akulaleki. The next minute ukhala Abigail Mabuza, the next minute ukhala uDziba lemvula ngapha abanye bayalwa ngapha omunye aqoqoda ufuna ukucharge ifoni angithi asila magetsi thina silenhlanja esilesole elayinini lethu. Yeah, I understand. Omakhelwane bazangisola but ababuke so zamele ngashare i-podcast le lizangi hayi akusayenzi so mele ucopy party le
very sure.
No, angikhulelanga
eCountry Park.
Angikhulelanga eCountry Park. Ngiqedise ukukhula kwami eCountry Park. Angisho senza suka eCountry Park ngisemayadini. But the rest of from the age of 2 up to the age of 19, 20 bengisentombane,
And then you
understand?
shifted to culture.
Yeah, then I should have to a Country Park,
Alright.
eKhalanyoni.
And then ufunda.
Right, ukufunda ngafunda eMthombo Wesizwe, from Mthombo Wesizwe primary ngaya eMpophoma, then ngithesembhalo form 4 ngisho ukuthi eMpophoma bafuna wapase kakhulu. Nangapasanga kakhulu, ngampasa okufana lokwamuntu wonke. Yabona konke ukuthi maybe yabo labo B, labo C, you understand? But ekwanile, you understand? So ngagcina sengiyafunda eSobokazi A level, then from A level I went to varsity, then from varsity yaqala impilo. Ngasithola sengila,
Alright, so
understand?
now ukuthola lapho na ukuthi imusic yakho iqala sokuqala impilo uyiqalise esikole.
Professionally iqala sokuqale impilo, understand? But mina I've been like doing music from the age of 9, you understand? Yeah, but bengiyenza endaweni engikhonzela khona, understand? Yeah, because that's why I was getting a platform yokuthi ngicule, understand, ekhwayeni, even lasesikolweni, understand? So from a primary bengicule ekhwayeni, high school bengicule ekhwayeni, and I was also part of theatre. I've got a yazi le award ngitshona ngisithi ngizakutshela. By the way you do theatre, yeah, ukuthi hayi ngiyake ngibone lisenza ishit lapha. Ngithi amachita lawa no yini le. Yeah, mina ngake ngawina lokhana okwentwasa lokhana okwama school okwama high school what. Yeah. Actually lapha ngawina kumbe kuthiwa best in a cameo role kutshoni konke kuthiwa best in a cameo role
encane umuntu ongene
Right.
kancane but wabuka.
Whoa, now it makes sense because I wrote that play, you understand?
Alright.
Ngabhala i-play lana, understand? Ngathi mina since ngibhalile akwenza ukuthi ngibe part of because mina ngisomuntu othanda ukuxokozela, understand? Yeah, ungabuza uMebrazil yakutshela. Yabo. So ngabhala that play, understand? But anzange kanjani? Ngangafuna ukuthi ngibe part of it. Then u-teacher owayengu-director uHatsman uRust. Uyambona nje. Wasesithi hayi no Bila njani ngena understand la tune so ngase ngena ngayenza nje okuyi small nyana because I'm good, understand, ngase ngithola kwi-award khona kyana. Ngazothola that year futhi I think that's the year engathola khona an award yokuba i-best theatre what. Then yeah what. Then when I went to high school I was also part of a theatre club okuthiwa what.
It was a professional theatre club ephandle kwesikole.
No yayise varsity.
Oh,
So
right.
yeah, varsity, yeah, part of his school, so what theatre club. So we did a lot of amazing stuff. We even went to Haifa. We've once invited by Savannah Trust, if you know Savannah Trust.
Right.
Yeah. So
You were doing theatre all that time.
yeah, I was doing theatre and choir. I understand.
Alright.
Yeah, I was doing theatre and choir. Then after sengiqedile ke varsity, that's when I ventured into music professional. When I released the album lami lokuqala iphephandaba album.
So ukuhlabela it was always your vision or
Hey,
something happened?
too much because I remember ngangithi ngabona like umuntu ohlabelayo ngimlandela ngifuna ukubona ukuthi kathi kahle uyangaphi. I think ngangihlanya because I remember kulenye artist sibili like eli big, you understand?
Lapha
Ngisase
koBulawayo.
ya khona lapha koBulawayo yazi ngahlangana la le town isesemncane ngathi shit ngoba umuntu lo ngamfaka eplugini lo ithi ngamlandela le ngabo
Wamlandela emgwaqweni.
ngimlandela sithi maybe vele njani uya ku rehearsal yabona because I always believed ukuthi like njoba mbabona kwezomgido betshona begida besenza not usho ukuthi those guys they are always busy vele nxa ivuka ekseni uya ku rehearsal or uya ku show or uye endaweni ezangidonsela to music because mina ngangela ama platforms. The only platform engangilayo kusenkonzweni. But apart from enkonzweni ngangele enye platform. So i-studio ngangakwazi ukuthi kumele ngiqonde ngamlandela uChomi lwana akanda uziqondele ranking. I'm sure wayesiyaphathisa mina this guy.
Hayi but no problem.
So ngangisenza njalo because I remember ngenye ilanga ngisafunda eMpophoma ngachayisana lo Albert Nyati. I think it was 2010. 2010 ngesikhathi se-World Cup. Ngachayisana lo Albert Nyati. Ngathi Albert Nyati. Wesikhanya Albert Nyati ngani baphumelela masinya because ngesikhathi sakhona wayehamba ngemoto. I think kwakuyimoto emhlophe if I'm not mistaken. Ehamba lo mnyuchombe ngani baphethe camera. Ngahle ngathi ngambamba lapha sengingenile. Senhle ngayithola le video. Ngathi lamili njani baba Nyathi lokulibona lapha lihaya. Lami ngiyahaya inkondlo ngiyahlabela. Ngifisa ukuthi lami ngiyenze, understand? wathi yenza sibone. Yeah, wathi yenza sibone. Khonapha wathi yenza sibone. Angagagasa yabona i-confidence yayiseselolo. Wathi mfana nje yabona. Kwaphela konjalo, understand. So like i-passion ye-music, and I've always had the passion ye-music. I remember even some other year, ngesikhathi kusathengiswa amabhakhosi, bangipha like imali. No, amabhakhosi, ama-biscuits lawana kusanda kufika, kusanda kuvula ama-China shop. Kusanda kuvula ama-China shop kusithengiswa ama-biscuits lawana okuthiwa amabhakhosi. Because I remember ukuthi imali yokuthenga amabhakhosi yayikwana ukugadi e-town. Mina ngawoka from Entumbane ngisiya eMontrose. Ngisiyabuza ukuthi no eMontrose Studios eZBC lapha, because I always thought ukuthi ko recordela khona music because asibukela Star Kids sibona uMakanaka, you know, hello, hi, my name is Makanaka, welcome to what Pocket Seal. Ngisithi okay, usho ukuthi ungaya any ndawo yeZBC soku right. So ngafika ke mina lapha eMontrose ngathi ibizo lami ngoB, ngangakabi ngoBila. Ibizo lami nguPatriarch, yilibizo engizalwa ngalo Patriarch. Yeah, Patriarch Joe Welcome Manyabi Mpofu. Understand? So ngafika lapha ngathi lami ngifuna ukuhlabela, ngihlabela igospel. Bathi lapha si record, but abantu abangakusiza hamba ePioneer House. Ngafika ePioneer House uye ku ansakwazi ukuthi ku what floor kule Skies Metro. By that time kwakule Ingwe Studios. No, ngangisafunda lapho. Kwakusesele Ingwe Studios. Ngahambe Ingwe Studios. Back then izinto zazi-formal to an extent ukuthi wawungakwanisa ukuthi umbone uproduce. Wawufika ubhooke khona phana vele e-reception. But so sometimes wawusho uphenduke vele ungambonanga lo producer uphelele khona phana e-reception. Wesanje abaza abantu be-reception ukuthi bangani ngo-CEO. Ngase bahle bakudeny i-entry ndoda vele konke kuhle kuphela. Yeah, angazi ukuthi bonke bafana nabantu abasebenza e-reception. I don't know, maybe orientation yabo lokho ze injalo because because you know what I've realized ukuthi khona if let's say you're sending a proposal and or ufuna ukupitcha an idea, nxa ulalele ungafiki ku reception ungamtsheli vele wena time ngcono time security guard uthi security guard ngiyakushayisa idola ngifuna ungitshengisa uCEO kumbe udirector kumbe umarketing manager o umuntu onguye oyenza idecision ecompany le, ngifuna ungitshengisa ngangena ngihle ngemlandela ngoba ungavela ufike ku receptionist my babo awuluzile ndoda ngutshela ukuthi uza kuphendula ngesinye isikhiwe esibhowayo so uhlubona ukuthi
and ungamthwele ehlafu ingane lesubhayizi
ndoda wesi sometimes yakwenza kube ngani ndoda incwadi yakho niza kuye eAmerica ngaye-America ye-Algeria ukuziprocess ukuzidecision yakhona khona pha kuyinto ndoda i-decision eyenziwa 2 offices away from lapha khona. I don't know what the orientation. No, I'm not saying one pattern. I'm not saying what one pattern. I was just trying to show you. No, give me one chela sibili ama churches. You know, back then izinto zazi too formal, understand? Plus ngangimncane yabona la istory sakho seke singahlangani kahle kahle ukuthi ufuna ukuzoyenza ipoem, ufuna ukuzopresent, ufuna ukuzohlabela, ufuna ukuzo-actor. Yabona istory sebe singahlangani because yabunga kakubile clear mind kahle kahle ukuthi kahle kahle vele what is it that you want, because ngangisenza le poem kudala but nxa sengilalela amajita afana labo Thaluso, you understand, sembona ukuthi mina engangikwenza idodi
ayintona usakuphezulu
ngangakabi exposed. No hayi sembona ukuthi kwangayisi because thina sasenza ama praise poems lawana otha halala sesithe gwaqa safika lapha wonke umuntu ujabule halala, you know those kind of that's boring indoda.
You may say it's boring, but bakhona abanye abantu abashaye praise poetry.
Babhowa phela yikho singabazi uyabazi. Ngiyadlala no ichiyene hayi uzangicabanisa no ichiyene yaboneka Albert Nyathi ejulile, understand, because yabo hayi wena sokuphaka ngendlela engayisiyo.
Ngihambela nje wonke ama praise poet akhona ama praise poet
amanye abhowa because they are lazy.
Kunanzelela kulezinye indawo ipoetry leyinye engangeni kahle abafuna ukuthi you come and you praise. let's say maybe uqhatshe emtshadweni yabo uyabona ngizothi emtshadweni
I know.
they
I'm
want
not
you to
disputing.
come and
I'm not
praise.
disputing. All I'm saying, ukuthi, most of the challenge that we have with praise poets and ukuthi they are lazy. Yabona, you need to move with time, understand? Moving with time, I say ukuthi sithi cheer praise, but lawe zama ukuyenza ibe mnandi, yabona. Understand? Ibe entsha, understand? Because khathesi ungathutsha umuntu wepraise bese ngikwazi ukuthi okay, uzajaya izibongo zikaMzilikazi, Machobana, ayehle lazo. Yes, ngeke sizitshintshe izibongo lezana, but find a way yana ingezi ngele kahlani ka ihleli magezi hla si baleke ngala you know try something else ekona halala uMzilikazi kaMashobane lwano ahlaba isilwane sabhenqu hayi
uyachaya poetry
no
hayi asingayali yazi kunjani
I'm a creative.
Yeah, but I understand. Ungangakulandeli yani. Okuyinto kwangkhona but bengakunika khathesi bethi lapha phila lapha athina lapha siselo omunye ndithina whether imali mbe wini thina sifukunika wena into le.
Do you know ngizembenza ukubukela itheater yenu lapha lihlabela umuntu engambuyela wathi these guys they can sing. But I know you're a terrible singer. But kulokunye okuyizinto ukuthi yabona uyabukwenza because you are a creative yabona wena ama notes awakhuthi because theater ilomculo phakathi understand and that theater lalihlabela lapha and it was nice understand but angeke ngathi you are a vocalist same applies to me music I do storytelling meaning to say I can write. Yeah, understand. It's all about wordplay. Poetry is all about wordplay, but when it comes to poetry, mina angikho that strong. You understand? Ungafaka uThaluso la perform. Mina vele angeke perform ngepoem. Abantu bangangishaya. Or vele ngahle ngilimali self esteem yami ngalimali. Understand? So strength sami is not on poem. You understand? Yikenzama ukukusho.
But usungaba director ama praise poetry lapho abuye esele.
No, vele I think I used the wrong word. Ngiyaxolisa guys, alipo. Ngiyaxolisa. Ukuthi imic yakukhulumisa izinto esengayisizo. Kenzo ukuthi sithi retake.
Uthi bakhona ubalalela ababoy.
Obviously ngeke ngichaze like lamo izingoma zami kulomnye umuntu olalela ingoma zami understand that ayabhila ingoma zakho ziyabhora I understand yeah bakhona obviously ukuthi mina abantu bayanisaba ngeke bawe bazongitshela because into yami ngikalakathe like we are very big so yabo lesinye isibindi so uthi ubuzonje uthi ibhila ingoma zakho ziyabhora
so abantu bakwesaba barona awuwacha
No, I yeah. Because mina ngingumuntu mina ngi-out sharp la uyakwazi.
No, out sharp.
Yeah, I understand. So ma we-out sharp abantu they respect you, understand? Yeah. So I think people respect me. Yeah. Angisho yabona umbizile. You respect it.
Alright, so besiku album lakho lakuqala lapha. And everything khona wena music professional. Awusenza theater, awusenza poetry uhlanganisa. And then ngizama ukudinga stepping stone sakho lapho wafika khona wathi right no mina lapha nalapha sengichaya music. Because awusenza into eziningi.
Yeah.
But wakwenza wathi hayi ngisengilandela ipath because ithina ngapha on the professional world sesibuya nga sikwazi kakhulu through music.
Sure.
So in the time mina lapha sengikhethe music kuwe wawe.
Honestly, I really don't know, but maybe ukuthi in all those three things that I was doing, music ihamba phambili, you understand? Lami ngayifika out as if would like maybe ikho the strength some con. Not maybe ikho lapha the strength some con. So I had to pursue music, you understand? And I feel like I tell more stories in a better way if I do it in a musical manner, understand? Because like I said, mina I'm all about storytelling. You understand? Ukuthi ingoma ithini, you understand? Like I talk about izinto ezenzakalayo. So I believe I do it better if ngishaya umculo, yabo. Yeah.
Alright, ngiyathola. So if album lakho lokuqala that's 20 what?
2023. Iphephandaba album, yeah.
Iphephandaba is the first one.
First album. My album, the one album, Iphephandaba album.
So that's the first and last so far.
Yeah, first and last so far. Yeah.
Alright, so ngizama ukuchecka the ukungena kwakho kwi-industry. The nxa usungena ku-music. Ngesikhathi lapho proposa abo-Apple nyathi but uproposa yonke into nje oyenza
Yeah,
but
ukudala
kulesi khathi usungena
sibili.
ku-music sibili
Yeah, so
ama-challenges wahlangana lawo ukuthi uzukhiphe the album that you keep out khonapha.
so mina what I did before even I recorded, because ngase 2021 ngase ngikwazi ukuthi I wanna record music, so I did ama inquiries, and one thing I discovered before ngirecorda ukuthi music iyadula. You understand? Ukuthi music iyadula, and I wanted to do an album because the songs engangizibhalile zazingangivumela ukuthi ngizikhiphe nga-1 because it was storytelling, ezinye izingoma ezi-slow. Yeah, I understand, aziphusheki kahle, understand. So ngangifuna ukuthi ngikhuphe kwi-whole project, so ngaba lenhlanhla uNkulunkulu wamvulela, ngahamba ngasebenza eProgress Mine. Ngasebenza eProgress Mine for 1 year. Yikho lapha vele ngabhalela khona ingoma ezinengi, abonkonjwa, abo-GP, Ombila, ngababhalela ngisebenza eProgress Mine as Elisha eFelabus. So I worked there for a year, ngabudgeta, ngaseva, ngithe sengisevile imali yami, then I came back to Bulawayo ngabe ngazorecord i-album lami ngaliqeda. Then I started marketing, pushing the album. A few people balinothisa, laba ma-awards, Bulawayo Arts Awards balinothisa, banginominata ukuba yithwa newcomer, outstanding newcomer. Unfortunately abasangiphanga, baphutsha umlwana wesishone, ngithwambani lo ndoda. Lo Chom lo ohlabela ingoma lezi thwambani.
Calvin Mangena.
No, not Calvin Mangena has been doing music for years, bruh. Thwambani ufana lo kanti.
Wakhona kobulewa.
Ngakhona lapho koBulawayo, ngakhona lapho, but ngwesishoneni, but uhlabela ngesindebele if I'm not mistaken. Olokuphushwa ngoKiyatse, that guy oshoot ama music video.
Hayi mboni.
Hayi, but liyamazi nguye owawinayo 2023 waba newcomer. Ule ngoma yakhe yatrenda kakhulu. Eyothando kuthiwa kuwe kuthani. Sayazi ingoma yakhe mina. Yeah, but nguye owathatha, I understand. So I really, but like I was really grateful ukuthi ungenile 2023 unominated. That's big, trust me.
Last BAs la one.
Yeah, my last BA.
Alright,
Yeah, my last one, yabona. So lami ngajabula kakhulu, understand. Ngabona ukuthi shuthi kulabantu nje abahleli engabaziyo who appreciate my work, abawubonayo umculo wami. So it really motivated me, understand. It really motivated me. Unfortunately, since then I haven't released anything, but I'm still highly motivated, understand. Yeah.
Alright, so from ukuthi usunominate uma-BAs,
Sure.
zamusho ukuthi into leyana, did it open any doors for you kumbe njani njengoba usithi khona uyawubona ukuthi right kulo muntu somewhere ohlezi obona imisebenzi yakho?
I don't know what it did open any doors for me, but what I surely know on my end, like as an individual, there is something yavulekile, okay, there are people who appreciate this thing that I'm doing, so I have to go hard, you understand? I have to go hard, like there's no going back, you understand? So that's what awards do. But what I will advise most of my artists to be is to dwell more much on them, understand? Just do a thing, understand? If you're nominated, you're nominated. If you're not nominated, you're not nominated. It's fine, understand? Because when you want to dwell much on them, you want to release to satisfy abantu abawinisayo or abanominated, but you do not know the criteria that they use, understand? Do they use numbers or do they use is this thing musical or bakhangela? You don't know what basebenzisana, understand? So if you dwell more much on number awards, we are here, but they're a good thing, are motivator, And it's nice winning an award, trust me, it's nice. I've never won one, but I believe I'll win. I'm going to win loads of awards, understand? But don't you understand? Sometimes I also pull out and yellow push up, I understand. Yeah.
So fast forward,
Sure.
show yakho leyo wayithaya lama-artist amaningi kakhulu yade siqambe uqalisene lapha.
Ubuntu Culture
Night.
Beautiful show.
What motivated you to do such a show? Like what was what no food chai show like what was it?
So I came to realize like in as much as you are good, I'm a promoter or different venues or I'm a power, they can book you. But the most important thing is the value that you bring. You understand? And when we talk about value, we're talking about the numbers that you are bringing to a show. And those numbers, they are the ones that are going to make money for whoever who is booking you. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So I then realized, I'm a numbers they're not telling good. Like, yes, I'm a numbers, about 200, 100 people, understand? But I'm not yet there, understand? Like, I have got real numbers, understand? Or to promote us about the coffee days, or to help us and let's tell about 1,000. So, me starting Ubuntu Culture Night, I'm trying to cultivate a culture yokuthi I'm an artist. Let's do our own events, understand? Be it to say community yakho hlala khona mina ngihlala esigodweni Country Park. Ngiqalile khona phana esigodweni, understand? I'm building like a real audience, understand? Sisiya phambili.
So kulelo khuzeni like Ubuntu Culture Night, what you did was approach abantu engingathi like ku-industry they've been there. Abantu ukuthi ngesikhathi nominator ku-newcomer, they are not in the category of newcomer. Like abantu who have been there and they've been doing this thing. So what we do so that they pull numbers?
Not really because like there are few artists in Bulawayo Abalama numbers. There are very few artists about Abalama numbers. That's why you hardly see a Bulawayo artist doing a one-man show. But which one? I think Chase Marabi. I don't know who to attend up range and Sakwan attend. But I've seen Chase Marabi. In terms of our numbers, Again at la service, but I understand. So Baluchwan so Upafanga like I'm a big artist it was not a matter of which they would bring our numbers, but it was to cement evaluation. You understand? Because I know they are amazing, When you look at them artists like Omato Jenny, you understand they are made of
so when you were approaching these guys, because Nyanges with most of the times I'm artist Bulawayo, Ayaz, Jayla, Janinja, and the guys that you brought ngabanye like abaku level phezulu in Bulawayo.
Sure.
So like when you're approaching them and working with them, how was that? How's Matojeni Nabangana show?
I think it was nice because especially with Matojeni it was very, very easy because the guy who plays guitar or the acoustic is a very calm guy, understanding. Ugogo, she's my sister. Utandijana, she's that person, understand, who's welcoming. So with Matojeni, it was nice because I can't say I've got a relationship, but I have a relationship with them, understand. So it was easy. Same applies to Vio Brown. I'm a fan of Vio Brown. I love her music. I believe she's amazing. So it was not that difficult. So with most of them, it wasn't difficult. It wasn't difficult. It wasn't
so
difficult.
These are big guys. Or would if they approached, they charge. Did you pay them?
Yeah, we did pay them, though obviously not the actual fee. Understand? They were still growing. Understand? Yeah. So khulumisana kuhle sazwisisana this is what we're trying to build, so let's work. Because at the end of the day, it's all about collaboration, about looking at the bigger picture, what's the vision, you understand? And I believe that they understood the vision and they saw the passion in me. They said, let's give the guy a chance to come into the show. Yeah. No, everything was sorted.
Right now, with the show, I saw the show. The show was
it was nice, right?
Yeah, the show was nice.
It was nice.
Because I'm into if they don't know what when I approach those big guys, I have to have something to respect them. or kuyayenzakala ukuthi hayi ngiyakwazi ukufika ukuyenzakala. So you want to motivate the people the right way. Yabona into esingayifuneki ukuthi umuntu esehamba uzofika nje yabona without that more respect and ekhona ngiyawazi lapha ngumsebenzi lapha.
So before irrespect, it doesn't come with ukuthi uphethe malini. No, irrespect, it comes with the approach. Likhulumisane, you understand each other. Then selidlulela ekuthini i-payment yenza kanjani, or there's no payment but there is appreciation of the work, or
appreciation
there's no
of the work of ukuthi imali.
Yeah,
because chief, I understand the appreciation and payment thing. Because the appreciation and payment thing,
these are two different things.
These are two different things.
Sure.
Kusekuthini alright, njengoba imali ngekho uchuza $10, I can see that you're appreciating my job or my work. And then kusekusiba ukuthi payments ayisikhuluma ukuthi imali maybe uyicharge leyo muntu yebhataliwe was negotiated from that man. So now because with a confusion between appreciation and payment, especially in this our industry, because kakhulu kusebenza the word of appreciation, whereby appreciation is a corner. I appreciate.
A very interesting.
So what
but
is
but the other thing, what we need to understand, like the other thing, we see. Always about appreciation. I'm not talking about me as an individual and me don't want to curate my event.
You are talking from your experience.
No, I'm just talking in general.
From your experience.
No, I'm just talking in general.
In general, from your experience. Fine.
You know, like it depends with an event. Understand? Will an event whereby it's very, very good for you to charge 2,000.
All right.
Kule event it's abnormal for you to charge 1,000. For instance, event whereby I'm saying I'm doing a one-man show, then since it ngicela uzonja buya, not ngicela, I'm going to pay you to come and perform before I get on stage. Maybe do 4 songs or 5 songs. Then you say I have to pay you 1,000. That's abnormal because you don't have value 1,000. There are very few artists that will value 1,000.
For real?
They are very few.
How do you value these guys?
I value in terms of from the production, recorder wako, the staff sako, the quality, the visuals, the cost, the value, the number of people that you can bring to a show. Because remember, at the end of the day, yeah. But ngiyahlabela kakhulu ngihlabela mnandi and wonke umuntu kungakhala ingoma yami, but you are such an amazing musician, but at the end of the day, is your music making money for you to charge me 1,000 ukushow yakho? You understand? That's why I was saying when I created Ubuntu Culture Night with my partners, it was to cultivate a culture of curating our own events as artists, so that we can build an audience. The audience then is a sense of image. Since we are not making enough money in terms of our streams, but with our shows, we have a chance to sense the image. But we need to start on ground, to build a real audience that will come and pay $10 and get in, understand? So that's why I said it would be abnormal to charge me 1,000 to perform a show. When ungakwanisa ukuletha abantu abayi-50 kushow yakho, it's not fair.
Alright, so that's why
it's not fair.
That
makes sense. Yeah,
we end up thinking then kule ndaba appreciation then ndaba payment, whereby most of the time we hear lapha into sabesina appreciation. So also uzohamba upoint ukuthi ungezwe sometimes umuntu esithi ngiyabengile appreciation into yabisenzakala ukuthi uyabe ezama ukuthi awule mali encane azokubhatala. So yikho lapho engifuna ukuthi njengalina njengama musicians akumbe wena ukuthi lokhu i-appreciation lokhu i-payment wena ukwehlukanisa njani? Because kahle eqinisweni
masokuqalisa ukunegotiate isisehla imali, so i-appreciation, because wena mawuchargile wathi no, for instance wathi mina ngicharge 800 for a live performance with the band, then ube negotiator uzuyegcina negotiatela wena maybe ku-300 US. Akusekho i-payment, so he's just appreciating you because that's not your value. Not when usuphekile ukuthi ku-600 but sekupha 300, so the-appreciation behind, understand, it's no longer an actual payment.
So yabona ukuthi indaba ye-appreciation chief, because I'm sure you have also worked with ama-artists ahlabelayo, right? So kuze indaba ye-appreciation le ndaba ye-payment ukuthi konkona nxa kuthiwa konkona we just appreciate you, not ukuthi we just nxa kuthiwa thina lapha into ekhonayo lesibongo nje and kube le nto lana yokuthi akharesi siyakubhadala, i-difference yakhona ingaba.
I think uphila something up. Kulalokhuyana ukuthi but very basically uphila saying everything.
Yeah, akulokhu
ukuthi wena ungaqasa ukunegotiate.
I think abanye ehlupha ukubhadala onke.
Uphila
ungaqasa ukunegotiate because yazifama njani?
Uphila something.
I-appreciation and very payment is appreciation of your work. Yokuthi very nxa abantu babhadala basebenzi. And so siba lesikhathi sokuthi abantu sebebhadala ama-appreciation kuphela because sometimes uthola abantu sebepheka imali ezinkulu and then uthola ukuthi no ingcema njengoba uthola umuntu ku-abnormal uthi uchaje 1000 but then uzipheka at 1000 or 800 whatever and then wena but because ukobulawayo futhi mawule 200 uyayithatha imali yakho uyayifuna okokuthi into lana sihlala ingathi i-appreciation to the point ukuthi ngibona ukuthi maybe abantu bazivalue more than they are.
Yeah, vele ama-artist amaningi you know what, ku-right ukudula because umuntu uyabekwazi ukuthi i-work yakhe, understand, because futhi lokhu calculate kuyashiyana because omunye umuntu ucalculate ukuthi okay I did an album, i-album le ngikhoste 1200 so ushuthi mina ngiyi-1000 ivalue so kumele ngiqalise ukumcharge at 1000, you understand, so i-value abantu iyashiyana. Uright umuntu uma yokucharge 2000 it's take it or leave it, but now once you negotiate uzigcinisa umuphe $50 from 2000.
It doesn't make sense. So because when you are one of the musicians, and
sure,
practical, how do you calculate your value? I don't want the exact figures, but I just want to kind of look. Because I'm sure you're a sample of other artists out there.
Honestly, I still struggle with charge and you understand. So what I do usually, I look at the type of event. If it's a corporate event, I'll make sure I have a different figure. If it's a wedding, I'll have a different figure. If it's a festival, I'll have a different figure. Because let me understand that. Yes, I'm there, I'm getting there, but I'm not there, understand? I know where I have to be, and I'll get there, understand? So that's why it was a little difficult in terms of who was people with me, I understand? Because at the end of the day, I want to be fair to the promoter or whoever is booking me. Because what you need to understand, he wants to make money now. You understand? So whatever that you charge it has to be reasonable. Now. You understand? Because now, but because he wants to now, so when value, meaning to say you need to, it's either you bring a quality performance that gives abantu event a good experience, or if that event is done again, people want to come, or you come with our numbers. Those two, you understand?
Alright.
Yeah, using the as good. So I think like I'm evaluate your own self with me, I understand. Right. So that means I said I'm difficulties in calculating
but
I know when it comes to performance, I deliver something that is
because is the issue, mostly is the issue of man. And with your right, I know you're doing what you're doing,
sure.
You're trying to hustle music mostly because India of Pilanga and do fees was in there. But India sends a Kakubi, which unequals with Tifalian, Imenga, or get depending on what you don't approach Leo, Yena Vewenzani, and 20.
That's why I said it depends with the event. Is it a festival? Is it a corporate event? Is it a community?
So ama-artist amaningi Gareth kobulawa akulevel naleyo ukuthi it depends ngokuthi ngiperforma ngaphi.
No, angisoke ngikhulumela ama-artist amaningi. You understand? Angisoke ngikhulumela ama-artist amaningi because there's ama-artist sitshiyene. Because trust me, akhona ama-artist a-charge ama-1,000. Khona apha kobulawayo atholayo ama-gig. Uyangizwisisa? Depending ngokuthi uhamba kuziphi indlela, udlala labo ba networking. You understand? So that's why I won't talk collectively ngihle ngithi. But ngobuningi kwama-artist eningi lawo abanye abo 50 abo 100 even. You understand? And they deserve it. Because akusukhangela i-push yakhona ukuthi is it pushing? Does he has the numbers? Lento ayihlabelayo is it proper yini? Understand? Iyahlala yini ebantwini or into leyana ukuthi mawusufika abantu bahle bacaphuke ukuthi andaba
Right, so there was Ubuntu culture and reception yayinjani like on the show kubuya kwabantu, like how did you find it?
For a start, it was nice because we recorded something like 304. For a start, Mina,
304 people.
Yeah, for a start, Mina made.
And then did you guys push collectively? Because I mean, when I'm an artist, emaningi. So I guess I the issue hambelana with MJ Sings and the other girl, Noluntu Jayan, when they did that song, and then I went back and posted. Omi post size suppose
over 2.
Maybe 3, but only 10.
Or for a show.
Or 5. So it's not a show, a song.
Alright.
So MJ Sings was pushing the song, Spona pushing the song. So there's a Spona, so Sasana Zulu can take one, Nolundu Javin and take one only 10. So irresponsible push, I mean push and Kamba was another push. So and Nyayanguzo la one musicians. Ahlukene ekuthini yakwansa ucollaborate either senze show or senza isong. So we told ukuthi sempusha ngiwa
on issue. Okay, I'll talk just in general because I don't want to name my views. Understand? I'll talk just in general. I think the challenge that we have for Bulawayo, I'm an artist that I'm a celebrity. Understand? I'm a celebrity and again they are lazy, but I'm a celebrity now. So when you are booked
I'm a celebrity,
no, I'm a celebrity.
What do you mean?
It's
because I want to know with Banja.
I'm a celebrity. So I'm a celebrity. The challenge yakhona ukuthi khona kulezinye izinto yakusungasazenza expect ukuthi zizayenzwa ngabanye abantu. You understand? For instance, when you are booked, kulamanye ama-artists angadingi ukuthi afake i-push eningi when they are booked because ukuvele nje appear on a post abantu bayatshelana ukuthi uzibhale besendaweni enje sonke siyahamba. But thina as ama-artist alapha phezulu koBulawayo asikafiki iningi lethu asikafiki ku-level la. So we need to have a culture yokuthi when you are booked for a show, push it as if it's your show. You understand? Push it as if it's your show. Whether yingoma you collaborate, maybe so as ingoma push it as if it's your song, but also check ukuthi umuntu yena lo o collaborate naye is also pushing him, because if you are not pushing your song on collaborate you mina ngiyipusha more, it doesn't make sense. Mina vele ngiyahle ngithi bra yazi ngicela uhle delete ingoma lana ungikhiphe because there's no future better, because mina I want to invest entweni ele future because umculo wekudla kwami, understand. I'm building
so did you experience something similar with Ubuntu? Because I'm an artist like my name. Did you experience everything when you push up but not but it's okay?
I didn't pay much attention because I was very, very busy pushing the show there. But what I've discovered collectively, I'm artists of Bulawayo, they don't push our shows. You understand? But they look at our show, you understand? Because I know what you show maybe shut down. Maybe maybe nasty C or Java. You understand? uzayipusha, you understand?
Very
But if
excited
it's
now.
that local show, uyakhomba ukuposta here and there, kumbe ngani yadonda, yabona. So I think we need to let go of that celebrity mindset because iyalimaza abantu abaningi, because abantu bazibona ngani bayilutho kanti they are nothing, you understand? They are nothing. And the sad thing with into yomculo, uyakwanisa ukuvuka ungela relevance, and ukuze uthole i-relevance kuyazodingakala ukuthi ube ngumuntu okade usebenza kuhle labantu labana abasemuva. That's the tricky part about music. That's why ubona most of ama-legends ethu amaningi aguga kube buhlungu because abadonsanga abantu. So when you grow in music, make sure ukuthi uyadonsa abantu. Ungafuni ukugrow ube yi-one ube laphana, ufuna ukuthi ku-celebrate wena njengomalume njengobhudulwana othi angahamba emazweni kabiza abangibo ufuna ukuthi lihlale licela kuye. Phela kulabanye abantu ukuthi angavela ngene emsebenzini akabiza abantu bangibo. Ukholisa khonokani ukuthi mpijana sefonini. Besicela phela libhadalele udu i-school fees. Mpijana sefonini lapha kuyashota emfeni lapha sokufunakala
abantu.
Yabe enjoy khonokani ukuthi uthi umwatshela ibhugwe lakho uthola $5 ngiyakwazi usulifuna thatha, you know. Silama artist anjalo yabona akufunakali khonokana. When you grow donsa abantu abaqhakatheke kakhulu yibo abantu abazakulwela. Those are these very same people who are going to mention your name when you understand. Uwedwa awinda. That's why I try by all means ukuthi whatever that I do ngidonsa abanye. Unfortunately, I'm not that good in building relationships on that, but it's something that I'm praying and working hard ukuthi ngiyilungise because I need to build relationships. But I'm not that good. But I know ukuthi into eqhakathekile because uwedwa awinda.
Ule management one. Do you have money? Because I've seen some other ones around system blindly with management they when how do you run your that?
Me under management ngiyazidonsela but I know with time ngingapusha someone will come. Someone will come. Njalo ngiyabe ngokho ngiseza ngedata. It's not easy, understand? It's not easy because obviously ngiyake ngibathola abantu abathi Bila we want to manage, you understand? Because babona ngani umanage i-talk shop, umanage artist. It's not easy because usungabe le degree wehluleke, understand? Because when you're managing an artist, you should have the ability to network. You need to understand the music industry, ukuthi isebenza njani. You need to tap into spaces lapha mina engakwazi ukutapha kiwo khona. Because you can't come and manage me and mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngiyakwanisa ukuthi ngikhulume labochomi be-Dep3 bangiphe this platform.
Then la
uthi uzomfaka. No, sikesomele ungene lapha engakwazi ukungena khona. You understand? But if ngikwanisa ukuzenzela ngela pressure then should ngiyenza zenzela, understand? So it's not easy being a manager we artist because kumele ube kuma different spaces engakwanisa ukuziqoqodela ngingene khona, understand? So obviously ubathola but ulwazi labe lungekho but kuyabe ungumuntu lana olothando, yabona, othela lelo music kwakwazi ukuthi le GP yathathela baba yaqonda la what yayi uchomi lo yavuthela sengamanager mbona ngani ungani yahluleka sawo it's a beautiful song. It's one of my favorite songs because can I tell you a story about GP or Selaskati? So ngapha kaZuko ngesikhathi lapha ngihamba Zuko so ngandeni awusehleze eceleni kwami lapha kodwa imoto yegolele South African number plate, yabona angincoma ukuthi imoto blind bethomla didn't pay attention engangiyangapha mina khara ngijapha wathi yazi vele every time mangibona imoto le South African plate ngikhumbuza umdalo wami, you understand, because ubaba wami wasuka exabana lo mama back in the days kudala esiyegole sedinga umsebenzi and he never came back, understand. So every time ngisakhula ngangisithi mangibona imoto LGP number plate ngicabanga ukuthi maybe ngumdala So ngantshona ngihlangabeza so ngicabanga ukuthi maybe ngumdala azizi
Yes.
up until kwazo kanjani. So that's how I wrote GP, you understand? Uthi le GP yathathela ubaba yaqonda la igoli yamshiye wenela. Boom, athi yakazange athele webaba yakhumbule kade siye goli wakungekho luluma ngoyela lesiko ngisho lezinto qo sishilo umuzi wakho zingela amathambo ezimfeni sadlumbuya ngoluthi umama ethi provider, understand? So I said ama stories amaningi, understand? Because ahambelana, understand? So that guy gave me a concept ukuthi okay ubaba wahambe egoli kazange waphendula, and I was like vele ama-scenarios lawa manene kakhulu. So ngasembhala nje ama-stories ashiyene. It's a nice song.
As a storyteller.
Yeah, I'm a storyteller. La sengakhuluma ngawo. I should do a soundtrack at Dep 3. Bambhatala mali.
Appreciate. Some appreciation.
Kumele nje wafika
So i-writing yakho nxa ubhala izingoma lezi senanzelele like one style whereby nxa uxoxa khona abantu bekhuluma you are attentively listening because it might be your next concept.
Yeah, mina I indlela engibhala ngayo ingoma, it's very very nice because everything that I see I write a song. For instance, ingoma okuthiwa Ngiyekelani, I just saw a headline, a chronic. And so I was okay, article, but they come out with the high divorces of Lawa. I was like, this is a song. So I wrote a song called Ngiyekelani, which was inspired by that headline, understand? So what I did, I went on WhatsApp. There is a WhatsApp group, my friends, there are about 40. They super love my music. So I was like, guys, I want to create a song with you. So tell me, ye never get my divorces. So I took all those replies and did a song. It's a beautiful song. Go check it out. Try again.
When?
Oh, ngizofasele ukuba shade nawe lingabathandile. Something like that. But it's a nice song. It's a nice song because it talks about the real issues that are happening. Understand? With like amachita, siyajola labantu esingabathandiyo because of ama pressure. Avele bazalini or ebanganini, understand? Phela sometimes yakwazi ukuthandana lo muntu alright for wena, but ongamthandiyo. Do you know what I'm doing right for? Knows a funny old, understand? I watch it. I tell you, I'm going to baby. I baby, what baby? As I'm saying, one of my dollar, baby, as far to me as a grocery, Penabala, Baba Dala. But you know, I'm tired. When you stand, the look Shania Law, and you don't the tall Shania Loana, yo, go now, you go to right, understand? So it's important, like, what you mutole order, but make sure I'm tired. Make sure I'm tired.
So in a scenario whereby umuntu lone order para umthandana.
Yeah, because at the end of the day akunanto enzima njengoba uvuka eceleni komuntu ongamthandiyo. I've got a song esho njalo which is a reply kayekelana ayikaphumi. You understand? Akunanto enzima. Shade ngoba yamthanda. Akukho lula ukuvuka eceleni komuntu wena ungamthandi.
Aish.
Umshado lapho ngelathando. Unomthelelo ngube ngangini encane. Sifuna udlami inzondo. You understand? So it's very very dangerous ukuthi uthandane lo muntu ongamthandiyo just because abazali bayamthanda or abangane bathi umuntu oshaya. Into yokuqala akube luthando bese okulandela okunye, understand? Because uthando malungekho umuntu the danger yokujola lo muntu kumbe yokushada umuntu ongamthandiyo ukuthi umuntu lwana uzakuphathela imikhuhlane because uhamba edinge indlela yokuzijabulisa labanye abantu because ngajabula imali lawo because umuntu ongakuthandiyo nxa ukhisa besizwa ngamihla ufuna ushebeshebe. Understand? Mawumhaka kuyasithi ngabe uyahlufeyinte vele khona lapha because yabe yonke into eyenzayo yabe ikuchiselisa. Yeah, mawuhoqa vele yabe nyanya, you understand? Yeah, because awumthandi yabo.
Amajokes akhe vela
hayi vela ayikho into eshayayo ngayo, understand? Yeah. So mina izingoma ngizibhala njalo like izinto engizibonayo. Yeah, for instance nangashada but I do see izinto ezenzakalayo
emshadweni. But uyashada yini very soon?
Yeah, kumele ngishada ngeke ngihlale ngiyi-one.
Angisho ukuthi andingeza ukuthi kumele. Ukuthi kumele ushade but kukhona okunye ubona ukuthi hayi mina engimthandayo njalo ngibona
ngimthandayo. Mina kumele ayingikhathele ngolala ngiyi-one. Hayi ngiyi-one. Hayi ayidingiwe. Ayidingiwe ndoda lami ngifuna ukuthi manje ngithi ngiyachibilika ngizifice sokukhudumala ngizilalele nje kube mnandi. Kumnandi ndoda like I can picture you put notes as a nice thing ndoda. Ngivuke eceleni komuntu understand. Hayi lento ukuthi bedlala ngiyi-one man. Hayi. Wesi into bowayo ngokuba mdala ukungashadanga. Yabo kusithi le style la kanti awusela sistela seyubona njengohlanya phela umuntu ongathathanga wesikhathi umuntu omdala i-girls zasithi maybe lo yahlanya because you are trying to fit in and ule confusion ukuthi umntwana kumbe umuntu omdala, understand? Because ebadaleni awungeni because ama-conversations are key wena uthathanga awuyazi lokhu eziningi, understand? Awuyazi into eziningi, understand? Ebantwaneni ngaba futhi awungeni umdala ule 42 years awuthathanga so ule confusion so ugcina usuhlanya, understand? So I'm just trying to run away. I pray ukuthi nje uNkulunkulu angivulela bona ngishade ngithathe, understand? Lami ngivule eceleni komuntu, understand? I think I will make a great.
We are support about the interest in music because she's also an artist.
I know she's not an artist,
but she supports you and your music and.
Yeah, she does. Usharp. I think I'm calling
because we want yazi into ezala win. Kulezi is cut ezokuthi amaningi ama-artist are not married, or if they are married into ezala ngathi.
Do you know what? Do you know ukuthi uhamba njani? Let me be honest with you. Balutshwana amankazana abangafuniyo like umuntu who is a musician or who is a creative or tune into the art. I-challenge yazi uthi cash flow. Bra, no matter ungaze wenze amankazana vele athanda imali, afuna imali. Amankazana inkazana ifuna ukuthi mayevula ndoda efridge athole kule cheese, kule burger, kule ice cream, kule yogurt because ngabantu abahlala besidla. Yabona ukuthi ama-broiler njani. Omama bafuna ukuhlala besidla, understand? So when do you
ukhona lezingaze kuqatsile.
No, I'm serious. Yabona no, brothers, let me be honest with you. Yabona amankazana afuna imali ndoda. Whether yakanyeka kumbe uyagayisa kumbe ugema akulandaba. Into eqhathele ukuthi are you making money? So kungela mali bra vele ba frustrated. So i-art industry kobulawa because it's not paying. So kungani maybe amankazana kobulawa yajola lama-artist kobulawayo they don't support music. No. But the frustration yokuthi imali ayingeni, you understand? Uthando lwendlala liyabhowa bra. Uthando lwendlala liyabhowa ukuthi every time uzathi baby so nje yazi down yazi ngichayekile. Umuntu okho uhlala echayekile. Omama bakwanisa. Omama they are soft people ndoda bafuna ukutreatwa nice, understand? Bafuna ukutreatwa nice ndoda, ufuna ukugada i-Range Rover, ufuna ukuthi ahambe kahle, ufuna ukudla, you understand? Ufuna ukugqoka kahle, alungelele. Yabo, yikho bona uyafika azo omutsho umfani. He's very very funny. But ufika no. Umamazi. Isimbi baba. Isimbi. Uzuza ukuthi kathi usise nalo ubonani kumjida lo. Baba, umjida lo le security. Security yeqhakathekile. Because umfazi bese calculate ukuthi okay abangikhaya seku covered. Umntana wami uzafunda esikole esinice, unazahlala nginokelela, ngezile, right. Yikho abakufunayo, you understand? Yikho ubona abaningi bakhona uzosithi vele yami imali ngeyami. Ngeyakho kanti asange sathi okwami ngokwakho sishada lapha. But isokuthi yinto wena indoda phela. Kumele ungcine. Sesithi okwakho ngokwakhe. Yabo. So abafazi inature yabo injalo. You be very very lucky ungafica umfazi ozwisisayo othi no babakhe. Mina ndokuyi 200 la. Since wena ulokuyi 400 wathi ngikhipha kwe-100 lokhu si-edele lapha kube yi-500 sikubeke lapha sizama ukuseva sideposit istate yabona abanye uyakule nhlanhla enkulu and kumele udumise uNkulunkulu because abanye abakho njalo abanye bakhona bakuthatha kubomama babo bayakutshela ukuthi wena wabona ubaba kuvela wangalalela sendlini wangala edinga imali understand so vele yakhe imali ngeyakhe yabo so uyakule nhlanhla kakhulu ngafithi umfazi ozwisisayo ovumayo ukuthi no naba bakenza phuma ngedinga imali ngale la uzaphuma edinga imali ngale sihlangane ntambama sihlanganise sibone ukuthi silalokho sesiplana sobabili antsho into yethu leyo ngeyethu but ayisiko bonke abanjalo awumonye ndoda vele nxa ethola i200 yakhe first thing udlule esalon yana try ni salon yana opposite esitho lapha ashayishayi frontali baba athengele hili alungise izipho avele kufiwe
so into ehlula ngathi ama-artist akhona indaba ye-cash flow
i-cash flow ikathe umfazi yadula uyahamba ngo-stairs hamba kade esko-stairs uye bala obaba bakhomba
ethola kungomama bebaningi
kuyabe kungomama besidla imali yabobaba obaba semsebenzini you understand ngiyakutshela hamba wenza kwa-chicken in ayisekuthi thina ukudla sikuthandi asisakuthandi ngenxa yokuthi akuvumi ukuthi sidle because kuthiwa siyesebenza seyidinga bona bahambe bayidla understand that's why ubona ubaba becina begamula nxa befetshele because umuntu uyabe secalculate ukuthi shit so ngamapizza konke lokhana kudliwa yi-shit le understand yabo because umuntu uyabe secalculate ukuthi madoda mina phela nisebenzela uchomi lo because yakuthola ufaka pressure so babake khangela abanye baba sebenza babake uthona usebenza the next minute uyafika ufice vele umfazi uyilaba vele ndoda uvule lokunye kongumkhendi evani understand yikho ukucina kuse yikho lokuzibulala kuvelela khona pha kanti no kanti ukuzibulala kuba weak ndoda yabusucalculate ukuthi usulahlekelwe izinto eziningi kangakanani ukuthi 5 years ubuilda understand usebenza
uthola ukuthi
ufica uba besegugile phela baba 70 bayaguga because basebenza kakhulu bezama ukuthi banjani bamake sure ukuthi bayakhe and into abayakhayo asoyabo phela obaba ngogandaganda understand bayabuya baganda balevule yakubona ugandaganda wenzani yafika levula angashaya ispan so kuyigonate izomthwala imhambise workshop ngoba abanjalo so uyayakha but awufunakala endlini nale nxa ufika vele babe zonto baba sebuyile madoda I understand so ngabona lo mfazi siyadumise
so into eyenzakalayo lapha sesikhangelela umshado ovela kuwe and then okunye esingawukhangelela okunye ke esingawukhangelela kuwe
after so much process
enye bese ngiyibuza ubuntu is it coming back?
It is to definitely.
December
it is to yeah.
And then on the albums, and then in 2023, are we expecting anything?
Yeah. Ikhona ingoma evuthayo ethi wamuhle.
It's coming as a single.
Yeah, it's coming as a single. It's a beautiful song.
You have already released a single there before.
Yeah, I'm gonna release this single kuthiwa nguMathapelo. So elandelayo kuthiwa nguwamuhle. It's a beautiful song. So I'm urging ukuthi if ungeke emathandweni ngene emathandweni utsho ukuthi sound esemathandweni ebra usemathandweni are you in love utshona lo bani
ngombumelelo
wena umthembiso lapho thamba senze uthi umenzi uthandana nompumelelo so I've got a song eyaphuma kuthiwa wamuhle dali wami yeah it's a beautiful song, it's a love song so iyaphuma I'm just praying and hoping ukuthi abantu bazayamulela kahle bayijabulele ngendlela engijabulela ngakhona.
If you were to collaborate with any artist from Bulawayo, Kares, maybe let's say just number 3, maybe album or one of the singles or whatsoever, like Kungawa, people that you start Lola, I know those guys.
There are so many, like there's too much talent in Bulawayo. I would really love to work with Asef is a great storyteller and I'm a storyteller.
So Asef.
K-Breeze, yeah, she's K-Breeze of blind.
K-Breeze is another rapper. Huh?
He's a rapper. Who else? I love Sisters, she's amazing. Who else? Dakudu, the producer. Baneng kakhulu.
So you have about maybe ukukhangeleleni khona lapho because I'm sure when uyafinyelela ebantwini and ukhuluma ngani uyakwazi.
Ngikwazi ukukhuluma khona lapha. Ngale kuyangizimela. But angazi maybe yeah.
Would you collaborate with anyone from Harare or lento lani ukuthi mina vele Harare hayi?
There's no way I'm sure this is sure now. because abantu bale-problem ukuthi bazomele collaborate labantu somele ehlabele ishona senkathi because ngiyake ngithole sibili abantu abafuna ngicollaborate labantu beharana bathi Bila, can you sing in Shona? Why should I sing in Shona? Like music universal, understand? I don't need to sing in Shona to even understand. Yeah. You can sing in Ndebele as long as the song is good. Trust me, a Shona person will vibe to it. Just like we vibe to Shona songs, understand? So as long as you find ama-sanctions ukuthi somele kuvesi lakho ungatsha uthi intombi iyashelwa hlala ngamagama then okulandela somele ngifake ngithi wakhanaka lokufarila baby rangu hayi mina ungamfayela ama-sanctions. I just want to do my Ndebele because I love my Ndebele. I believe my language is super cool and I believe ukuthi music universal. So ngahlabela ngesiswahili ngesini ngingasizi iswahili but if the melody is nice ziyakhala kakhulu.
Alright, so yazi uphila vele kulengi ngeke siqede la. So in this size akabesi like ulama singles akho abuyayo lawa.
Yeah.
So into engingayithola to yenza is just to tell the guys ukuthi ama platforms akho abangathola khona ngaphi and then ukuze ukuthi bajelile lapha so but exactly bakuthola ngaphi.
Dingani lonke indawo lithi Bila, BHILA. If you're serious uzawuthola umculo wami, but if you're not serious awuzowuthola. If you're serious uzawuthola Bila, BHILA. Angithi le ku-YouTube liqeda ukubukela i-podcast lona le utype BHLA uhluthi meputhi BHLA imbila, BHILA inkonzo Bila. Type any of my songs. Yeah, we have to told. Very fast. Beautiful music, yay. Like beautiful. Okay, le best nyama zote uzakula ile ngoma zako. Umangela, I'm sure umangela ithi kanti ntomela lapha. More time.
Okay, no sikholisile. Yabona into engichaze namhlanje. Yabona nxa likhuluma because most of the times or sometimes
Sure.
ngiyabe ngikhuluma labantu abanye babe badala yabona ezinye
Wait, can I tell about the cousin that co-host of some sort?
akakho nami.
Ngubani?
Ngunondu.
Khona baba ngizange ngimbono
ngiyabona ukuza kuthelela indaba yakho lani yokuthi toma omama bathanda ukudla. Omama bathanda ukudla.
It's not bathanda junk food. But abomela bekhona yazi indoda sikhangela 1 2 3 4 5 boys everyone.
Yachisa. So otherwise
Bamela bekhona nje
siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi likhona selize baba lapha khona kwaze kwafika ekugcineni kwakho. Otherwise go check out the music kaBila and then from us enkundleni exclusive ungakhohlwa ukuthi wena obukeleyo nice because ubukelile so just go and tell the others to subscribe and then batshele nje ukuthi akule content echisa blind apana and then you get to know the people around Bulawayo, you get to know artists and other prominent people in Bulawayo through enkundleni exclusive. So ladies and gentlemen, until next time.
Ashe